What 24/7 support actually means in web hosting. Most hosting companies advertise 24/7 support, but very few explain what that actually means in practical technical terms. For many business owners, the phrase is assumed to mean fast replies on live chat or someone picking up the phone at any hour. In reality, true 24/7 support and hosting goes far beyond customer service availability. It is about constant technical oversight, rapid incident response, and protecting a business from downtime and data loss at any time of day. Real hosting problems rarely happen at convenient moments. Websites fail during traffic spikes, emails stop working overnight, DNS issues surface over weekends, and security threats do not wait for office hours. In these moments, the difference between superficial support and real technical support becomes very clear. A quick reply that says, "We are looking into it," does not keep a business running. Only technical action does. True 24/7 hosting support begins with continuous server monitoring. This means servers are actively watched for performance drops, outages, resource exhaustion, and suspicious activity. Problems are detected automatically, often before a customer even notices. This proactive monitoring is what allows a hosting provider to respond early, instead of reacting after damage has already occurred. When an issue is detected, real support moves into incident response. This involves engineers diagnosing the problem, restarting services if necessary, reallocating resources, or isolating faults to prevent wider impact. This is not a scripted process handled by non-technical staff. It requires trained personnel with access to the infrastructure and the authority to act immediately. Another critical aspect of genuine 24/7 support is service recovery. Businesses rely on more than just a website. Email systems, contact forms, payment integrations, and DNS records are all essential to daily operations. When these fail, proper support restores functionality rather than simply explaining what went wrong. This includes fixing broken DNS records, resolving email delivery issues, and rolling back updates that caused site crashes. Backup management is also a defining factor. Real support ensures that backups exist, are current, and can be restored quickly. When data is lost due to human error, malware, or failed updates, the ability to recover is what separates a minor disruption from a serious business incident. Hosting providers without reliable backup and recovery processes expose businesses to unnecessary risk. The limitation of business hours only support becomes obvious when you consider how modern customers behave. People browse, inquire, and make decisions at all hours. If a website goes down overnight or during a weekend and no technical support is available, the business silently loses opportunities. Customers do not wait for explanations. They move on. For small and growing businesses, this is especially important. Downtime does not just mean lost traffic, it means missed inquiries, failed communications, and damaged credibility. A website that is unreliable sends a signal of unprofessionalism, even if the underlying business is solid. Over time, these small failures compound and slow growth. This is why serious businesses treat hosting support as a form of operational insurance. It is not a bonus feature or a marketing phrase. It is a safeguard that ensures continuity, reliability, and trust. Providers like Truehost focus on technical, around-the-clock support because hosting is not simply about being online, but about staying functional when it matters most. Ultimately, the real meaning of 24/7 support can be answered with one simple question. What happens when something breaks at 2 in the morning? The quality of that answer reveals everything about a hosting provider's seriousness and capability.